Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Phantom wallet to Pump.Fun. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, of course, you can do the exact same steps on your phone. Okay, if you are using phone to do this, you can do the exact same steps. Now, if you are using desktop, you just need to search for Phantom wallet on Chrome or like whatever browser you are using. After that, you want to click on the first result, and after that you want to click this big download button in the top right, and then you want to scroll down a little bit and you can choose which browser you are using. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. I'm going to click on it and it's going to take me directly, guys, to Chrome Web Store. Now you just need to click on add to Chrome and then click on add the extension, and the extension is going to be downloaded. Okay, so what you guys need to do next, you want to click on this download this icon here in the top right and then wait for it to download. As you can see, we have downloaded it successfully. Now what you guys need to do, you just need to pin the extension in the top. Okay, click on the extensions icon in the top and make sure you pin it here. Now after that, you want to click on the extension and it's going to take you guys directly to this page. Okay, after you pin the extension, now you want to click on create a new wallet, or I already have a wallet. You can just choose one of these. I'm going to go with create a new wallet, and I'm going to click on continue with email. Now next step, you want to click again on the extension in the top right, and then you want to click on this icon here at the bottom right. Okay, your profile. Okay, so after that, guys, you want to search here for Pump.Fun. Okay, so as you can see, you want to click on it, which is the site that you click on it, and it's going to take you guys directly to this page. Now as you can see, it says pick a coin that you like. Just click on I am ready to pump. I'm going to show you guys how you can use this. Okay, so after you are here, then what you guys need to do, you want to click on connect wallet in the top right. Okay, and here you make sure you select on Phantom. Okay, click on it and just click on connect again. Like this extension will like appear like this. Just click on connect and then click on confirm, and then now you can add your bio. You can also change the username here, and then you want to click on save. Okay, so I'm going to add here the username. Of course, like you can change your username once every day, so make sure you change it to the correct username, and then you want to click on save. Okay, so that's all you need to do, guys, like to connect Phantom to like Pump.Fun. That's all you need to do, guys. Okay, so if this one helped you, please drop a like and see you guys in the next tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.